Hi, I would like to share a few guidelines to boost your preparation. First and foremost, follow a schedule. So having a schedule will definitely help you to complete all the subjects in a planned manner. That would definitely ease you of burden, relieves you from stress, and at the same time you'll have adequate time for revision before your exam, if your schedule is planned and it is scientific, right? And secondly, following e-classes or following videos or following lectures. Remember, assume that, I know it's a challenge to listen attentively to any lecture. I know it's really a challenge. It needs a lot of concentration, but keep in mind the fact that if you can grab in at least one point in that particular lecture or video, maybe that point can make a huge difference in a result. Who knows? So think in that way and give importance to all the lectures which you are watching, all the videos which you are going through. Even one point would make a huge difference at the end of the day. And third, coming to study club discussions, the moment questions are posted in group, try to actively involve in discussion rather than passively seeking information. I discussed all of this previously also. So once you're active, then obviously you will have a greater chance of learning and registering all the information that's being shared in the group, right? So even though it doesn't matter, even though if you have no idea regarding the answer, make a guesswork. At least you can do that. Once you make a guesswork, or once you give out a tentative answer, and once a key is released, you can compare your answer to that of a key. If whatever you're given is right answer, the concept will be reinforced, and if at all you've given anything that is wrong, then obviously you'll have a chance to improvise, isn't it? So try to be active while you are involving in the discussions that are happening in study club. And fourth, attend live sessions. So live sessions, the reason why we're conducting 2 live sessions every week is so that we can have this one-to-one interaction. And also we are discussing and we are sharing the MCQs which we'll be discussing in live sessions at least 2 or 3 days prior. So you can solve those MCQs. Again, it's nothing but active participation, and then attend live sessions and then have one-on-one interaction, get your doubts clarified, and that would definitely help you in boosting your prep. And last but not the least, and also the most neglected part, is eating healthy, sleeping adequately, and having some form of exercise, physical exercise. So all these 3 elements would definitely help you maintain normal physiology, which is very much essential to boost your prep, obviously, right? So exercising doesn't mean you need to work out in gym for hours together. At least a 30 to 40 minute brisk walking, or at least a mild form of exercise would definitely help you, right? So adequate sleep, healthy food, and exercise would definitely help you maintain normal physiology, which in turn boosts your prep, right? So these are 5 factors which I wanted to highlight in this current video, right? And finally, last but not the least, as I keep on saying, it's all about hard work, consistent performance, and belief in yourself. That's going to take you a long way. And remember, despair and pessimism would take you nowhere. It's only optimism that really matters. And once you're optimistic, you're definitely way ahead of others. And finally, one question before I conclude this video. What is that you're going to lose if you work hard?